Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Monday motivation where I'm going to be tackling this messy room of ours. I am so embarrassed to even share with you guys what our room looks like, but this is real life and this is how messy and crazy our room can get. So I'm starting off by changing out the sheets on our bed. I roughly do this every maybe week or 2 weeks depending. And as you could see, while I'm trying to get all of this done, Riley must have found something in the corner that caught her eye. So I'm trying to take care of her while also get our room clean. I'm hoping that by putting on some of her shows and putting some toys out that it will occupy her. Once I'm done cleaning the bed, then I'm heading over to the closet. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen the items that I did pick up. I'm starting to slowly pick out things for Riley's birthday. Even though it is in June, she is going to have a garden themed party. So now that all of the spring decor items are out, I'm just slowly starting to pick up a couple of items. And then I did also pick up a few items from the mall. So I'm making sure just to hang those up in the closet. And I wanted to remind you guys that I will be putting up my closet makeover video soon. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on that. Then I headed over to this corner to clean out all of the clothes that were on the chair. It's just stuff that we are too lazy to put back throughout the week. So I'm going through making sure that everything is put away and the dirty clothes that might have ended up on the chair are put in the laundry basket. Then we do also have this IKEA kind of shelf right near the door. And this is where we put a lot of, you know, maybe our bills or just random stuff, which tends to collect a lot of clutter. So I'm going through and decluttering everything over there. Once I'm done doing all of that, then I'm gonna go in with my Mrs. Meyer multi-purpose cleaner and clean off the top of it. With IKEA furniture, it tends to get very dusty easily, so I always need to make sure I clean that off. And then I'm gonna go in with some Windex and clean the mirror. Now it's time to tackle our TV stand. And again, this is another piece from IKEA, so it gets dusty and dirty very easily. A nice quick sweep with the Mrs. Meyer multi-surface cleaner and we are good to go. By this time, it has gotten a little bit later because I did need to stop a couple of times to either feed Riley or put her down for a nap. And then I did forget to go in and neaten and tidy up the chair over here. I hate this chair cover. If you guys have any great chair cover options, please leave a link down below because I've really been looking into getting a new one. And while I was over here, I decided to tackle Nick's nightstand. And again, it is another IKEA piece of furniture, so I'm wiping that down to get all of the dust and everything off of that. Once I'm done with his side, then I tackle my side as well. It wasn't too dirty, but I wanted to declutter a couple of things on there. And then the last thing I needed to do was vacuum the whole entire room. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.